What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a tool that's becoming incredibly important in our AI-driven world, GPTZero. If you've ever wondered if a piece of text was written by a human or an AI, this is the website that claims to have the answers. So in this video we're doing a full GPTZero review, checking out all its features and seeing if it really is the best AI detector out there. The link is in the description below if you want to follow along. Now let's get straight into it and see what GPTZero.me is all about. Right off the bat, the website presents itself as the premier platform for AI detection, aiming to bring transparency to AI-generated content. The core function is simple. You paste a block of text, and GPTZero analyzes it to give you a probability score of whether it was written by a human or an AI model like ChatGPT, Bard, or Llama. It works by examining various patterns in the text, such as perplexity, which measures the randomness of the writing, and burstiness, which looks at the variation in sentence structure. The idea is that AI models tend to produce more uniform and predictable text, while human writing is naturally more chaotic and complex. One of the major positive sides of GPTZero is its ease of use. You don't need an account to run a basic check, which is great for quick one-off verifications. For power users like educators or organizations, they offer a dashboard called Origin that provides more detailed reports and even allows you to scan entire documents directly. The platform has evolved to include features like a Chrome extension for detecting AI content on the web and an API for developers to integrate this capability into their own systems. There are 5 distinct pricing tiers for an AI detection and writing assistance service. The free plan offers basic AI scanning with a limit of 10,000 words per month and includes 5 free advanced scans. The Essential plan, billed annually at $99.96 $8.33 a month, increases the word limit to 150,000 and adds a grammar check, AI vocabulary check, and a Chrome extension. The Premium plan, billed annually at $155.99 a month, provides 300,000 words and includes all essential features while adding advanced scans, writing feedback, a plagiarism check, and source and citation generation. The Professional plan, targeting teams and enterprises at $299.88 and $24.99 a month, offers 500,000 words with a high overage allowance, the ability to scan up to 250 files at once with page-by-page analysis, Teams collaboration tools, enterprise-grade security, and LMS integration. The interface includes a current plan section and prompts users to choose plan for each tier. And that's a wrap on our review of GPTZero. I hope this deep dive was helpful. If you have any experiences with AI detectors, positive or negative, definitely share them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on the latest tech tools and AI developments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.